Ms. Greene, you've had your disagreements with Speaker Pelosi, isn't that right?
I'm not sure what you mean.
You've had political disagreements with her. You don't agree with some of the things she's done in her career, right?
Politically speaking, that would be correct.
Right. You don't agree with a lot of things she's done, right?
Politically speaking, that would be correct.
In fact, you think that Speaker Pelosi is a traitor to the country, right?
I'm not answering that question. It's speculation. It's hypothetical.
You've said that, haven't you, Ms. Greene, that she's a traitor to the country?
No, I haven't said that.
Okay. Put up Plaintiff's Exhibit 5, please.
Oh, no, wait. Hold on now. I believe by not upholding the securing the border, that violates her oath of office.
Fair enough. I'm not interested in her oath of office. I'm interested in that you said that she's a traitor to our country, right?
I object, Your Honor. She is not. This is. I don't see the relevance.
Oh, no, wait, sorry, hold on. You have evidence? Yeah, hold on. It's all coming back to me now. Wait, tell me real quick what you have, because that might impact what I remember. Yeah, you have all of it. Okay, yeah, I remember all of it too. It's just memory. This was Marjorie Taylor Greene defending herself in court amid allegations that she should be disqualified for violating Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. It says, quote, "No person shall be a senator or representative in Congress, shall have engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the same, or given aid or comfort to the enemies thereof," which is going to be a pretty tough lift for Marjorie Taylor Greene, given that she engaged in insurrection pretty vocally and publicly. And don't take my word for it, here's what she posted on her own Facebook page.
America reelected Donald J. Trump for 4 more years. You can't allow it to just transfer power peacefully like Joe Biden wants and allow him to become our president, because he did not win this election. It's being stolen and the evidence is there. There's a large group of us. We're organizing an effort to object to the Electoral College votes for Joe Biden in key states where there's real evidence that this election has been stolen. I am very convicted in what we're going to be doing on January 6th, and it's historic, and I feel it's very, very important. On January 6th, if you're able, there are going to be possibly 1 million or more people coming to Washington to be there for this historic event. It's critical for everyone to show up and show the nation who we are. We aren't a people that are going to go quietly into the night. We are not a people that are going to be thrust into socialism without stopping it.
So she said, you can't allow it to transfer power peacefully. And then what happened? The mob of insurrectionists tried to do exactly that, to stop the peaceful transfer of power by storming the Capitol for the express purpose of blocking certification. You could draw a straight line from what Marjorie Taylor Greene sought to do and what actually happened. She incited an insurrection, and the insurrection happened. So on the issue of the 14th Amendment and whether she's guilty of engaging in insurrection, this is a pretty open and shut case. But besides those obvious facts, I should note too that it probably doesn't help her case that she's physically incapable of not lying until the moment that she realizes she's been caught. You've said that Speaker Pelosi is a traitor? No, I haven't said that. Okay, put up the Plaintiff's Exhibit 5, please. And then, oh wait, no, hold on. Now it's all coming back to me. In other words, if that attorney didn't have the receipts and threatened to show them, Greene would have been perfectly willing to lie under oath. And in a case where she's trying to prove that she's a credible witness as she seeks to defend herself, she's not really doing herself any favors. And granted, no outcome is guaranteed here. We should find out sometime in the next week what the judge's decision is, but that decision is only a recommendation for the Georgia Secretary of State, Republican Brad Raffensperger. What he ultimately decides to do with regard to either leaving Greene on the ballot or disqualifying her from that ballot remains to be seen. But at a bare minimum, one thing is for certain. Marjorie Taylor Greene has proven herself incapable of telling the truth. Although I guess we should lower our expectations for someone who incited an insurrection because she couldn't cope with the fact that America didn't vote for her despotic deity. To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button right here on this screen. And if you want to support my work, subscribe to my podcast, No Lie with Brian Tyler Cohen. I cover the most important stories each week, and my guest is always one of the top political figures, including Vice President Kamala Harris, Jen Psaki, Elizabeth Warren, Pete Buttigieg, Nancy Pelosi, Katie Porter, Cory Booker, and so many more. The podcast link is also right here on this screen, so give it a listen and subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts.